Janelle earned 90% on a test and got 63 points. How many total points were possible on the test? Draw a diagram to organize your information before solving the problem. Okay, so let's go back to the given information. So we're given that Janelle earned 90%, so 90% on a test. So that's actually really good, right? And then the point on the 90%, it says she got, right? And got 63 points. So we know the connection between the 90% and the 63 points, and that's that's in the first sentence. Now we're being asked to find, so how many total points possible on the test. So she's not sure, maybe the teacher did not write the total points, so we're looking for that. Now we're also being asked to draw a diagram. Now to be honest, even if they didn't ask me to draw a diagram, I love drawing those diagrams to visualize those word problems. So we're gonna organize the information. I also like when I'm drawing my number line to count by 10%. It's just so that we could have divided in 10 equal parts. So I actually want to represent each square to be 10% and 10 parts, and then I will get to the 90 and the 100%. So if you do have square paper, go ahead and pause the video and draw your number line divided into 10% at a time, or 10 equal parts. Once you do that, again, it's not required, but the labeling is. So I'm going to write the bottom number line is going to represent my percent. So all the way at the bottom is 100%. Now we want to now use the information given. So 63 points is the location of 90%. So I want to label the 90%. So that's part of the whole. So 90% is right over here. So I have a big chunk, a part, and a small part. And then the 90%, the length of it on the top represents 63 points. Or on the number line, this is actual 63 as a number line, but as a distance also is 63. So now that we label that, what are we actually looking for? So let's go back to the directions. So how many total points? So total points is where we have that 100%. So we're looking for all of it, or the location number for that 100%. So total points. So that's what we're looking for. Now, looking at the diagram, 90% is 9 parts. 9 parts. And that's kind of what I wanted to, and those parts are in 10%. So altogether, 9 parts are equal to 63. So could you find one part? So if I find one part, I will be able to find actually what's missing here and the total. So that's the idea. So what kind of math would you do? So we have 63. These are points. So if you want to write the word points, that's good. And then we're going to divide into 9 parts. That will give you the number for one part. And on the bottom, we know that one part is 10%. So we're talking about the number in terms of points, right? So points for one part. Once you do that, figure out what is the total points all on your own.